I think what makes Suisun Valley distinct is its climate and soils.
We do get the coastal fog influence that keeps temperatures cooler.
And what we have here is this west wind, and Suisun actually means west wind.
So one thing that I've noticed about the Petite Syrahs here in Suisun is the color, of course, is very rich and dark. This one in particular has a little kind of a garnet red hue to it. The nose on this is a bit of vanilla, I would say. A little bit of ripe plum, maybe like French plum. That plum characteristic carries through. There's a little bit of like a gritty tannin, a little rustic character to it, a little chocolate, like German chocolate cake. It's rich with sweet, ripe, kind of blackberry flavors. I think Petite Syrah does get a bad rap for being astringent, a little too drying on the finish. However, the wines here out of Suisun Valley really are softer and creamier and a little rounder and has a softer finish.
This is our reserve Petite Syrah. I get a lot of dark plum. I love the vanilla notes. And there's also a hint of fresh rose petal, which makes it so interesting and intriguing. Very supple, velvety tannins, a very nice kind of warm oak finish. It's very well balanced in the mouth. It's not too overpowering. It's a great food wine. One of the best things I like about Suisun Valley is that our story isn't written yet. We can still experiment as grape growers and winemakers and sort of see what is best for our region and climate, and there's just no limitations at this point.
You'll really see this beautiful, rich color. What I experience is blueberry, cocoa, and some black pepper. But what's most distinctive about this wine is probably that cherry after finish. We do all our fermentations in puncheons. There are wood barrels. The wood softens the tannins as well when it's already being fermented. It's a great vessel to ferment grapes.
So this is our 2017 Petite Syrah. One of the things I really like about this wine, after it opens up for a second, is some of the real deep fruit notes. It's got good spice character, excellent color. Yeah, those tannins are really great. They're long and soft, and the finish just keeps going. So if you go down farther in the south end of the valley, it's pretty cool. And then as you go, obviously, farther north, you get a little bit warmer. So there's a lot of different varieties that can do well here, but Petite Syrah really seems to set itself apart.
As you can see, this is a really full-bodied red wine. Nice hints of fruit on the nose. However, I know this wine from the way we put it together. It's about 75–80% petite. And the other special part that we like to add is Cabernet. So it's a really full-bodied, rich, long-finished wine. I think what stands out the most to me is how rich it is and the long finish that makes it a special wine. And of course, we're all talking about how special Suisun Valley is. We think it's just a great grape for the valley.
A toast to Suisun Valley and a toast to you, and hope that you enjoy this wine.
We hope you enjoy it and you come and see us.
We welcome you to come visit Suisun Valley. It's a very special place. You won't be disappointed. Salute.